There's an emailed question about glowing lights, a glowing sword, which the only way I know to make something glow in this game, well, is to fake it, where you have something that's somewhat larger than the object. In this case, a duplicate of this sword blade, just scaled a little, and play with the alpha and the different things. You can get a little type of glow, but the only other type I know is like that's actual glow is in the lighting in version 1 of the materials, which is just simply glow. Which this, in my opinion, is more of a glow than you probably would see better if it was darker. That's not that great, really. But the way glow really works in the real world is that light, and you got some kind of fog or something that the light kind of bounces off of, or some dust or something. Like there's nothing in the air. There's nothing for the light to really, and it's not real ray tracing, so it's not really doing light like a real light. But you can see the difference the glow does make. You also have emissive, which emissive by itself, emissive is more like real light in a way. It's emissive is the texture acting as a light. Does that make sense? And glow is more like how games do a glow, where I can't think of the name of that. The game Unreal was the first one to use it, I think. I forgot what they call it. But that's the only way I know to do it. And it's just one of them things. It's not, now in Blender, yeah, you can have some really, really nice glow effects in there, obviously. Uh, Blender, you got, the effects. You got real ray tracing for one thing. But you also got these other little effects that, now I forgot what I downloaded. Was it oh, it was a Blender file. Here it is. See, now that's a proper glow. And unfortunately, you can't get that in a game, or if you can, I don't know how to do it.